Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2019 Ram 1500 with the Hemi. That's right, this one's a limited version. This one here has every conceivable option you can find. Let's go look. Memory for 2 people, power adjustable pedals, Bluetooth for your cell phone. This even has a 12-inch screen, as you can see. It even charges your cell phone. It's got cool and ventilated seats, heated seats, and there's a lot of room inside the cabin, and also reclining seats in the back. Folks, it's even got Ram box, so you can put fishing gear, you can put cold beverages in it. It even has drain plugs. It will hold about 80 cans of your favorite beverage, including ice. It's got the trailer hitch. It's a 4x4 and a limited. Watch the tailgate. There's your backup camera. It goes down by itself. It's even got a spray and bed liner. It's even got bed lighting. It's also got LED tail lights. As you can see, the dual exhaust. 4 and 7 prong connectors. It's got the 20-inch alloy wheels. It's also got blind spot and crosspath detection, as you can see. Plenty of room for the children and power running boards. Folks, this is the deal of the day. You gotta call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You're only gonna find this one at Firkins.